What's happened so far?
Time for the chess tournament.
It's my move, hiccup! And now I'll reveal my thoughts so that everyone knows what I'm thinking.
Did you just reveal your private thoughts? I'll make a diagnosis. Tell you what's wrong. You're in trouble.
Hey, you guys! This remedy is great. It's gonna make your hiccups go away.
I love this remedy. No more hiccups. This remedy rocks.
This remedy is ridiculous.
Oh, no.
I need a diagnosis. Someone tell me what's wrong.
It's the skeleckian hiccups.
Oh, no. Hiccups from another planet.
And now for the remedy. Head to the garden and eat some special leaves.
The diagnosis is in.
We've got to help Jess.
She'll munch on some leaves.
And then win at chess. Yum!